Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, orange color, light green color, light pink color, yellow color, brown color, red color, blue color, sky blue color and pink color. Kids, shapes drawing. L shape, square, kids, square, circle, cross symbol, triangle, pentagon, kids, color fill, kids, color fill, pink color, L shape. Kids, L shape, purple color, square, blue color, blue color, kids, circle, brown color, kids, cross symbol, red color, triangle, green color, kids, pentagon, L shape, square, circle, cross symbol, triangle, pentagon. Kids, this video like, my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.